Another day, another story. New York, often referred to as the Empire State, is a vibrant and iconic state located in the northeastern region of the United States. Renowned for its towering skyscrapers, diverse culture, and bustling urban life, New York has a rich history that spans from colonial times to the present day. The state is home to one of the world's most famous cities, New York City, which serves as a global hub for finance, fashion, entertainment, and art. Here are the top 20 facts about New York. Number 1. New York City. The most populous city in the United States, NYC is a melting pot of cultures and a global economic powerhouse. Number 2. Statue of Liberty. A symbol of freedom, the Statue of Liberty was a gift from France and stands on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. Number 3. Niagara Falls. Shared with Canada, Niagara Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder located on the border of New York and Ontario. Number 4. Times Square. Known as the crossroads of the world, Times Square is famous for its bright lights, theaters, and bustling atmosphere. Number 5. Central Park. An iconic urban oasis, Central Park in Manhattan spans 843 acres and offers a retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Number 6. The Adirondacks. A vast mountainous region, the Adirondacks boast stunning landscapes, hiking trails, and pristine lakes. Number 7. Wall Street. Located in the financial district of NYC, Wall Street is synonymous with global finance and the New York Stock Exchange. Number 8. Broadway. Renowned for its world-class theaters, Broadway is the pinnacle of live theater performances. Number 9. Ellis Island. Once the gateway for millions of immigrants, Ellis Island now houses a museum commemorating American immigration history. Number 10. Empire State Building. A symbol of New York City, the Empire State Building offers panoramic views of the city from its observation deck. Number 11. Museums. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, and the American Museum of Natural History are just a few of the city's world-class museums. Number 12. Hudson River. The Hudson River flows through eastern New York, offering scenic views and recreational opportunities. Number 13. Brooklyn Bridge. Connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn, this iconic bridge is a marvel of engineering and a popular pedestrian walkway. Number 14. Finger Lakes. Known for its wine production, the Finger Lakes region is famous for its long, narrow lakes formed by glacial activity. Number 15. Coney Island. A historic amusement area, Coney Island features a beach, boardwalk, and the iconic Cyclone roller coaster. Number 16. Harlem Renaissance. In the early 20th century, Harlem became a cultural center for African American art, literature, and music during the Harlem Renaissance. Number 17. Rochester. Known as the Flower City, Rochester is home to iconic companies like Kodak and Xerox. Number 18. Saratoga Springs. Famous for its horse racing, Saratoga Springs is a popular destination for culture, history, and natural springs. Number 19. Tappan Zee Bridge. Spanning the Hudson River, the Tappan Zee Bridge connects South Nyack and Tarrytown and is a vital transportation link. Number 20. Upstate New York. Beyond the city, upstate New York offers charming small towns, agricultural landscapes, and outdoor recreational opportunities. These facts highlight the diversity and cultural richness that define the state of New York. Thanks for watching.